Out of curiosity, I had a 12.5. We are so excited about this renovation process. We have 29 brand new, beautiful, baby-friendly rooms. We used existing space, but the best part was during the renovation process, we opened up a floor upstairs so the patients weren't disturbed. We moved everything up to the 6th floor. Renovations took 6 months and we moved right back. It was seamless. The security system was installed on the floor we were in, and it worked out beautiful. Very blessed. It's a concept that is not real new, but it really, if you come over here, you can see that it's state-of-the-art. It contains the noise, but yet it is so functional it's not even funny. You can write on all of this. Every bit of space is usable. So we have our phones, our computers, yet they can't hear what I'm saying. So it's very confidential.
I gotta try that out. All right, keep talking. Are you not talking with your, are you really talking?
I was talking, it's a special airflow.
It takes the sound. We love it. It's been a long time. Nurses are loving the unit. Physicians, we've had nothing but positive feedback.
And you got a bed.
Voila.
With one button. One patient said, I had my first 2 babies here and I am astonished at how beautiful it is. They love the colors, but most of all, they love that furniture with the table that pops up. We love this piece because it's family-centered care, which means fathers, family members are encouraged to stay here and learn how to take care of the baby, and it's very important. The whole theme is family-centered care.